phone. Barkley got the phone. What did you find? Mr. Aggressor over here? What did you find? Bart, it's not all yours, doggy. Ready? Ready?
Yeah, I wonder why they're all wet. If you sit right here, because there's like poop and stuff up there.
Barkley!
No.
That's nice.
Yeah, no, just sit down right here and take a seat. You like box of puppies?
Yep.
Cute, huh?
You like that little pink puppy?
Fun.
And the little one.
There's a lot of those ones over here.
Or the one that's much bigger.
Oh, yeah, that's a cute little one.
I like that one.
Yeah, yeah. You like furry little puppies, don't you? Hi, Logan.
Oh, Barkley's got a
I'm
friend.
tired puppy. Yeah.
Bark. Why can't you be nice right off the bat? Hey, good boy. Hey, guys. Barkley's got friends now.
Oh, yeah, he's a shadow.
Not used to the white hairs. Not used to the black.